an update for me right now. I'm 44 years old this year, and today I was watching some things about how to rebuild your own van, because I'm planning to have a van life. Then I start to see who is actually having the van life, then actually what they do to their van. So I saw 60-year-olds. No, sorry. First is the 42 years old woman and take her 73 years old mom have a whole Taiwan trip. And in a van. And another one is 60 years woman. First time she take a single solo van camping somewhere in Taipei City. Then another one is 62 years American woman living in Arizona, and her van is her real life, her real home. And 85 years old man, he built all his cool van. And the 35 years old guy, he live in UK. He has his stove when there's no electricity in his van. And he end up a 10 years long-term relationship, and he with his dog. And they talking about what's the biggest worrying have, even though no bills, no tax, but they worry about its permanent damage or something wrong with the van, or they get gym membership because they don't have places to take a shower, if that's kind of their style. So it make me suddenly shrink myself in a place, kind of small and tight feeling, because I feel how people live their life. Yeah, I remember the American woman living in Arizona. She's sick and the second time stroke, and she's also using YouTube to maybe invite some supporting. And that's how human being living in this life. Then I thinking myself how I won't say fortune, I'm lucky, but I think everybody have their own issue. Doesn't matter what their financial, mental, emotional, family-oriented situation. But that bring me to a broader, maybe another perspective to see how actually humans life. But thankful the most is the YouTube channel let me have the access to people's life as long as their sharing is authentic. So I hope the music is comfortable, not taking over. And I changing to the different, my old Yati microphone in order to record the better quality, I hopefully. And so that brings me to a night, a whole afternoon till now. I feel the strength, also it's resonate about lately how I feel since this January, February start my fasting yearly journey, and a whole shifting, big path shifting, and I deactivate my social media account, the last one from Facebook. So I only have a very minimum way to communicate with people through internet, and it's a big decision for me. I feel, even though I prepare gradually this year, slowly the past 1-2 years, and I cut Instagram and I try to stop the Facebook account and come back, and then cut down, reduce my friend list first, and then now I feel, yes, I am centered going toward myself, and then I can really connect to my heart, not the chaos, too many stimulations. I want the real connections, not stimulations, not healthy for me. Then, but in daily life, in social activities, I'm still staying no more. But of course, a lot of uncomfortable when I around people who is not really. Maybe it's me. I'm not comfortable with myself this now, so it's mirroring. I'm not comfortable with whoever. Not really one person's energy. So these things, when now it's at the moment I want to documentary myself as a human being living in this world, and to not only finding a way to go through this journey the way I supposed to experiences, also observe other people in advance, maybe inspire, ignite each other's different part. Because I won't say support, or I don't want to say help. Because this morning, it's the first time of course, in this couple months, depression, happy, meet people, try things, old pattern, new approach, new belief system, and I go in practice every day. But lately, when I cut down, really, I don't have places to show off, I can say, or post what my insight today, and I justify myself, oh, I'm doing this right, I'm using social media the right way to help me to self-grow. But it's actually distracting me. It's escaping for me. And even I don't have that, still checking YouTube channels, maybe checking email, checking the junk box. So, well, I see myself, but yes, that's everything happened. It's okay for me on the processes of changing, learning, or experiences, or whatever. No judgment for myself. But the most important thing is I got more time. I got like double the time on really digest, focus, and really not too far away from where the places I circle myself. This area is what I want to focus. So I'm more the direction is more contract, I can say that. So this morning, my back is hurting for like a half month, 2 weeks more now. So it was I think it's a metaphor. It's a sign for me to really looking my life right now, the moment, my relationship with myself, my body, my emotion, my connection. So it's hotter right now. So first time I turned on the AC after the spring equinox. So this morning I was wondering, should I go to get some Chinese medicine, traditional Chinese medicine treatment, acupuncture, massage. And then this morning I just started to find the best way to massage myself. So yes, the moment I was happy because I can get the support from myself, and inwardly it set me free, break me free from I have to always rely on other people. The resources have to come from externally. But it doesn't make the needing a whole world support to each other become negative idea. But the thing is, my supporting system is not balanced right now because I don't feel I can get inwardly my resources from this way. So from outside, but I think it's also very collective things because we get many stimulation from external. The food, the happiness have to get from the new car, new clothes, and new people, sex, or of course sex is different. You can get nurtured to each other if you using, you get the right people, you are making love internally and externally. So this morning, this experiences make me understand how important this my whole life now. I don't get that experience success in get support myself, at least to have the minimum, like I can provide myself the trust, the secure. So looking for rely on other people, outside resources or unpredictable, because it's not from my decision sometimes, and it will be poor way. So I think that experiences let me have a little more trust about insist this path. And of course, financially, that will be a big thing for me, not rely on or always buy lottery or thinking how to get that from other people. So YouTube channel is a very good way people get this to get resources and also get free time to, get more flexible time for them to have their lifestyle and also have income balance. So it's come back to this, when I'm talking about money, life, balance, and I used to have very big problem about I don't accept the world this way, they shouldn't, it's not necessary. And I tell myself the world is so wrong, so many unbalanced, and I really refuse to participate and to vote to be materialized capitalism. I rejected this. And I using, inwardly, I using my manpower, my spiritual works, and all my magician, magic, miracle things. Then, so far, I feel the real strength today, when also the people I watch from YouTube, the van people, it's hard, really. They create, human created things from limitations. So while I'm watching them, I feel I'm like a god, okay? If I have the god and I'm watching every single person, how they got create their life, or their human beings are like my extension, my little kids, and how they can grow themselves and by themselves and in this place what they already have. And so the real strength for me right now is can't believe I say that, like the real strength is not rejecting but accepting and create from it. So accept the world the way it is right now. Accept the imperfect part, but and be able to create something from it. It have to start from, I won't say compassion, is more like it's accept, because I know this uncomfortable, this poor, or this experience of I'm always luck or limitation is not real me. It's not belong to me. So they were passing through me. So I'm really not reprogram. I'm just realize and see clear about what works and what not works. Also, my body, I can say my health is like 70% right now. I have many, chronic, of course, society, city life disease or symptom, and of course, not able to go to nature, the life live there more often than how I struggle or prolonging, procrastination from, yes, I have resources, why I'm not going to do, why I didn't decorate the house, and why I didn't try to make money. If I tell myself it's easy money, I need at least to do something, but I didn't do anything. And my relationship with family, I feel I just accept it. But when this moment I accept very passively, like a very escaping way, toxic, self-sabotaging way, by not talking to them and leave the problem with, this couple years I only leave the problem, my kids, my financial things to my mom and them. And that create another me to escape, and I attract people addiction with addiction. So the choices, if every time I make the choices to my next behavior, is always a choice to vote what's the energy, what's the reality I choose to believe. So I don't feel escaping is good. And sometimes when I'm watching the TV series, then when it stopped, realize suddenly I am in my reality. Piles of things there I haven't do, and I don't know what's my income, what's next income gonna come. So I don't compare. I don't want to so simple just compare to the 72 years old woman. She's still trying to survive, and she still teach people don't give up, and I am here like a loser. But then I bring myself back to the old self. Ever share one videos about clarification, self-checking me right now about 4W. So what I'm doing, what happened right now. So no judgment, just to see as an observer. Okay, that's my situation, what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to stay comfortable. I try not to change myself. I try not to push myself. And but what I really want, I reject to do anything because I feel every day I see other people, many people's life, especially in this world right now. The moment it's hard. I mean, in a different way. Every arrow in the whole history is different. But particularly right now, it's very subtle, and the environment's slightly toxic, bit more toxic. I will say it's harder to put ourselves in a better environment, so the environment can support grow yourself when you're in good environment. So you will grow, you will nurture, you will naturally blossom the things. The plants will grow better if you're in the right time, right place, right soil. Just touch something a little bit, mix my point right now. So what I observe from other people make me feel bored because me also repeating a lot of patterns and a pattern. So all the story make me feel not inspiring. And I ask myself, what I really want is actually I want to make us inspiring my story as an inspiring story. Not from other people, from me. That's my really want is my story. Created as a different, inspiring, and yeah, what I write today also. Yeah, pretty much I cover the things today, and also I decided to do one experiment for 40 days, not stimulate one part of my connection, because that's from my former job is I also studied breastfeeding. Okay, so when woman breastfeeding and when the nipple not be stimulated over than 40 days, and they will start to stop produce milk. So that's the same concept that I take it that to. I'm not going to. It's harder. This is the second day, so I'm doing this energetically because I feel that's my addiction. And also a lot of unknown, not sure. Maybe it was just gone forever, but I feel so far now it's not balanced, good, aligned, and I feel it will help me without that addiction to a person. So I feel next time when I feel myself talk to myself, it can be a different environment, to go to the nature place, and wow, the thing is I can feel all the pattern, the untrust, and the the old belief system is so loud, but I am like a person walking in the desert and believe I will find the water, or walking in the dark night, and I just need to believe that I kind of keep walking, because I can't go back. I'm already in the back for whole, I don't even know how many years. So that will be pretty much what I want to share, talk, record for myself. And the little things I try to wish, plan, it's proof, be proved. Little success, little steps. Wow. No one is easy to live in this life, so be kind. I feel each other. Be kind to each other more. Be kind to myself, and it's okay. I am still making a lot of mistake, and I'm still here. It's the most magic things, miracle. I'm here, and I can always vote, make the choice right now. So bye for now. Freya, good night.